ITZ Global Solutions Private Limited, an established and well-performing end-to-end IT solutions provider, headquartered at Bengaluru, the IT capital of India. Catering to all sizes and types of companies, ITZ shares a strong vision to become the leading IT solutions provider pan-India. Their services include IT solutions and services, IT rentals, IT support desks, turnkey solutions, annual maintenance contracts, high-performance IT machines sales, field support services, IT infrastructure, and other managed services. Senthil Kumar, the founder and CEO of ITZ, has over 15 years of versatile experience in the field of sales, management, planning, and implementing strategies for multilingual regions across the nation, showcasing leadership skills in the roles from mid-management to CEO level. Senthil is a firm believer in serial entrepreneurship and practice the same. An inborn learner and a self-motivated team lead for people associated with him in all the entrepreneurial ventures. He works with a mission to become the motivator for many and develop skilled people in and around who always succeeds in their career objectives and win hearts of the society as good humans. ITZ set an example in the difficult times of COVID-19 by embracing the social responsibility to be safe and provide safety to its clients. They operated with extra care and delivered 9,000 plus products safely to the customers by practicing social distancing and adhere to COVID protocols. ITZ works with a mission of 100% commitment towards its customers and belief in climbing the ladder in Customer Experience Index. Continue to be socially responsible, committed, and always striving towards 100% customer satisfaction. ITZ makes sure to enhance and upgrade their service levels every single day. With this goal, they introduced systems like support ticketing through their state-of-the-art website www.itz.in, where the entire service request process can be tracked and managed by the customer. Serving and partnering with some of the strong players in the IT capital and with the right kind of human resources, IT is rapidly moving towards achieving its vision.